Baker Lake Trail. Distance 5.4 miles or 7.7 kilometers one way. About 10.8 miles total in and out. Endpoint Baker Lake, elevation 8,000 to 10,620 feet. Water, Baker Creek / Springs. Points of interest is the South Fork Baker Cutoff Trail of 1.6 miles, Deishman Cabin 4.7 miles, and Baker to Johnson Cutoff at 5.2 miles. Alpine communities are easily damaged. Remain on trails if available. Camp 1/4 mile from developments and 100 feet from water. Pack out trash and leave a clean campsite. Fires not allowed above 10,000 feet and at Baker Lake. Stoves recommended. Treat surface water prior to drinking. Weed seed-free hay required for stock animals. Route from Baker Lake to Johnson Lake requires cross-country navigation. Pets, motor vehicles, and mountain bikes prohibited.
So we think the pass around the circle is probably closed. So we're just gonna hike to Baker Lake and back, but we'll check it out and see if we can get over. So there's too much snow at the lake for us to camp there, because we are not prepared to camp in the snow. So we are on our way back down. Look at this cool little pond I found. Just hanging out there, bushwhacking through these streets. Haven't seen a trail in a couple miles. Got all snowed in. Nope. Just pointing this GoPro at you. Nice job. Giant lizard staff, you know.